And we need to gather seeds, and so where'd we wind up on in that direction? Okay. Come, my little beasts. Let's get rid of that because it aggravates me to even look at it. So we're going to have a problem with spoilage on those. Now, I doubt it matters to the critter. Oh, crud. And you guys want to eat any of these yet? So I'm not adding new to old. Although, oh, they ate a bunch. Oh, you son of a beast. Get him! There, you'll get to see this. Now, if you have just one, it's really hilarious. One small bird. Because it takes them, oh, that was, I was going to say, it used to take one about a year to kill a turkey. And I was afraid that they'd run off the screen and never come back. Chase them. Now, we don't want to get down here and get our guys killed. Let's get out of there. Boy, I'm misjudging distance today. Come, my birdie horde. Hi, gladiators. Thank you for your help with the evil hounds. Yes, we will stay away from your baconiousness. Baconiousness? I don't even know how to go with that. Your porcine goodness. We're still stuck with the problem of... now, I am curious about the phase of the moon. There is another option there. You could... well,
if you used the bedrolls, it wouldn't matter what phase of the moon was, so... green mushrooms for the 8 millionth time. If you cook them, 15 points to your sanity. So, what am I doing now? Probably just killing time. Traps will kill the hell out of the small birds. Well, let's check ours. I don't want them anywhere near those stupid frogs. Let's see, there's a warp to there. We could hit that. I don't know if I left any queens up there, though. I don't know. I would only say make sure of your food supplies. Do not do what I have done. Once again, I have done a how not to video. Get up here by my freckled, oh, we can harvest this grass. Winter will be upon us, too, leaping like a fat tiger! Or just, an old placid pussycat. Okay, now which noise was that? Well, we don't want to give you those anyway. You guys are a pain in the ass, just a real pain in the ass. The thing is, if they do live to grow up, they're just really badass. They can definitely, and 4 of them will kick the crud out of anything. Where are you? Oops, fire. Going to sleep? Do you want this food or not? Why am I seeing 3 of you? Did I lose one somewhere? I think I lost... No, there... Oh. No, it was... Okay, it was in the chest. In a philosophical kind of way. Now, they will wake up and give you a dirty look if you move around at night, so... Oh, we're almost at full moon, and I don't need that.
Okay, why don't you eat all those? Now eat those. You don't want those. I swear it's like having a kid. Alright, did any of our berry bushes do their thing? See, this is another thing about this is by the time you vest this much time, it's real irritating when they die. Especially when they commit suicide by throwing themselves into a hound fire or whatever. Oh hell, I should have... I don't even know what I'm doing here. I think I am going to take a break though. I'm not 100% yet. I just really wanted to put up the ongoing saga. I think we've got most of 5 days under our belt. I forgot to do that. Oh, we don't need the bedrolls until another day or so.
Okay. Oh, I was going to say, I don't know if you can do the Chester thing yet either, the Shadow and Snow Chester. I had somebody tell me that they had done it, but I don't know. Wiki seemed to be still saying that it was in the future. So, oh crud. I'm going to bail out here because, like I said, I'm reaching that, not making much sense. Ooh. Well, let's grab these berries. Don't give me a hard time, WX. We should have gotten a turkey out of that somewhere. Come on, turkey. You know you want to. Okay, WX, and speaking of which, we ought to have WX in our little chain of fools here. Good man, Chester. Yeah, Chester. Alright, Chester, the Smallbirds, and I will all be back. And we'll be having hot fun and doing good things, and hopefully one or two of us will be living. Let's see, 25, 29. Let's see, 29... divided by 4, let's assume we get 3 more. I think that's enough food. Wait a minute, no, that'd be enough food for 1 berry a day. No, we don't have enough food. Well, we'll see how it all plays out. I want to thank everybody for joining me, and hopefully these will get a little bit saner as time goes on, and I feel better. So, and I haven't caught up with comments, but I've got quite a few of them caught up. So I'll see y'all down the road, and I'd really love to get a teen bird out of all this. I don't know what the lessons are of any of it. I think you'll have to pick those out yourself. The Pig Village thing was planned in advance. I did intend to do that. Evidently, just running like a you-know-what through that many pigs kept the Smallbirds from ever engaging because WX didn't engage. So, anyway, catch you later.
Howdy, hi everybody. Glad that doesn't say autumn up there. Now, I'm still not 100%. Some of you know I was sick.
The last video, as part of the film in this one, I filmed without having the sound levels right. And I kind of adjusted what I could in the software, but I didn't have game sound. It was like at a quarter what it should have been, a fourth, or even less than that. So anyway. And also I said something, I don't remember what I said. Maybe 8 berries a day, but it takes, wait, no, 8 berries a day is right. 4 birds, 2 berries for each bird. That's 8 berries a day. I think we have maybe 6 days left. Wait, we did 2 at 11. But let's count over 1 day. So say we've got 6 days left. So we need, what, 6 times 8? 48 berries. Now, if it comes down to the get down, I don't know if I kill one or let one starve or what. There should be at least 1 more hound attack, and if we're lucky, maybe just 1 more. And I have not decided what to do about the bedrolls. What happened in the past was anytime you were in a bedroll did not count towards the growing up of the small bird. And I have no idea what it does to their need for food, because you know what it does to your character. It turns him into a ravening hunger pit, so. But none of that's getting the game played.
Also occurred to me that it's not impossible that Wilson's, alright, we have 4 seeds, plus 25 is 29, and we need 48. That doesn't sound good, does it? Now, did all of you say something just because? No, you said something because you were hungry, you little rat turds. Okay, problems, problems, problems. You guys are a mess. I don't know if I should go far and in search of, and what if all 4 of these grow up? They're just going to be like bottomless pits, and it'll be almost winter, so it should be an entertaining winter. I have a infinite capacity to cause my own problems. I think Isolani mentioned that it was possible I could throw down seeds and then seal the little beasties up in the corral and then deal with hounds. And that is possible, to throw down seeds so they go to a certain area long enough for me to seal it off. But I've just got really mixed feelings about it, to tell you the truth. So, but anyway, my math skills are suspect, and so are various other skills. I would really like to see all of them grow up. I would like to see at least 1 or 2 of them. Oops, where'd that go? I wish they could eat other stuff. Come on, spam them fruits. Don't take the bird out of the bird cage. I told you not to do that. Oh shoot, don't free him either. Oh, I didn't think about you little rat turds eating these. You guys may be eating these oh shoot, I didn't mean to do that either. Oh well. I'm just a mess. So,
Berries, berries, we need berries, not fairies, not... I don't know what else rhymes there. I was going to say worries, but I have no idea what worries are. Yeah, you need to go to sleep, don't you? Whose fault is that? Even Chester went to sleep. I swear there's 3 of them there. I wasn't really watching. Are there 3 of you now or 4? I think I did lose one. No, I think I remember feeding. No, there's a 4th one. Okay. I'm just losing my mind. I was not built to do this. I'm not a good mommy bird. Hell, we're running out of everything, too. Now, if you want to do this, the best way to do it would be to time your full moon and some other things that I didn't do. Make sure you have adequate food sources. Alright, why don't you guys eat some of them? Now, why don't you eat them? You don't want them. Well, that's a good thing. Alright, so... what are we? I think today we're safe, tomorrow we're not. I just don't know what to do here. Go about our business, I guess.
attack! Make use of your small bird talents. Now, see, Chester's gonna think he's a small bird. Get him, Chester! Kill the crow for me. How are they gonna work on the bunny? I got him! I didn't know they could do that. I'm impressed. Too bad you guys can't eat any of this stuff. So are you hungry now or what? You would eat.
Oh, hell, I already had some. Oh, well.
Get him, Chester! Well, that's cool as hell. We don't want to be around bees. We don't want an accidental kill on our little buddies. I don't know. I think we might make it here. Only because I have a stupid amount of berry bushes. Also, any berry bush that's showing any at all, we could harvest and trash the bush and then put manure on it and revitalize it. So there's like emergency plans within other plans. So it's not like any given thing is a done deal. God, who laid these farms out? It looked like you were drunk when you did these, WX. Or did you have Chester do them? Even I cannot process that. Well, there you go. Yes, it's dusk, little birdies. It's a bad time to be a little birdie. Of course, if you ask me, anytime's a bad time to be a little birdie. Are you guys hungry? Sort of a no. Okay. I just don't trust any of you. Attack my birdie warriors, my avian legions. You'd be the auxiliaries. Not the Hillarys, but the auxiliaries. Yeah, I know it's nighttime. It's past your birdie bedtimes. I see more berries, though. You guys might live. Anybody want the seed? Okay, I take that as a sign you're not hungry then. Probably not enough daylight left, or dusk light. Is there a dusk light? Yes, there was. Sorry, birdies, but I'm working through the night. Yeah, peep your ass. Alright, full moon. Full moon comes on odd number day or night. So, now somebody asked me, if anybody has an idea on this, feel free to chime in, because I don't have a clue. But, somebody asked me if you're living in a pig village, what do you do on the full moon? And the only thing I know of is to run your ass out of the village. And if you're living in a pig village, you better keep track of those nights. So, shoot. Me and torches, I swear. Come on, chow time. Chow down, little dogs. Eat them berries. Yeah, there better be 5 left or you're all getting a beating. I'm going to have Chester beat every one of you. Well, this used to tell the hit points and their damage that they did. Is there a picture here I'm not seeing of them? No, that's a picture of a tall bird. Well, crud muffins. If anybody knows the damage and the damage they do and the hit points they have, I'd appreciate it. Gosh, I don't even remember. Tall birds, tall birds. I'm looking at trivia. Tall birds, Maxwell mentions. Maxwell mentions that tall birds may have been a failed experiment.